Hey guys, how you doing? It's Ben from Roofline Solutions, and I'm on a pretty special project today. You can see the roof behind me here. Big green roof. It's pretty old, and all the colours coming off the colourbond. The client is looking to sell the house and to increase the value of the for the sale. Obviously, it's a really steep house. It's a beautiful home out in Warrenwood. As you can see, I'll just show you a couple of the issues we've got. Because they're so close to the boundary on this side, you can't get any scaffold in there because of the gardens, etc. And same on the other side. So the pitch of the roof is about 40 degrees. I've got Jesse here sorting all our ropes out, not watching TikTok. So we've got about 200 meters of climbing rope, some 13mm full arrest lines, a working rope, and all our slings, etc. And you can also see down here, so I'll just get down here, that access is a real issue because we're so close to the neighbour's boundary, and keeps going down to the back here, to the top of the gables out the back. The roof itself is about 3.5 to 4 stories high, so it's a pretty big project to get a coat on. So really the safest way to work on this one is set up a twin rope system, an abseil around the roof, and get all the work done safely. So I'll put this little video together so you can see how we do it, and how it all comes together. Have a look up there, the size of that tree. Anyway, should be a good project. We'll get this job done. I'll go through a bit of the kit we have on this job that helps keep it safe. So over here, we've got some rope protectors, and they'll just go sit over the top ridge every time the rope catches an edge. This is my Skylotech industrial abseiling harness. Obviously ascenders, industrial descenders, anything that we use to attach to a lifeline. We use the big heavy duty steel carabiners. They're rated to 45 kN. Areas where we're not, obviously it comes with a Rhodesian ridgeback to keep it all safe. Thanks, mate. When we're not abseiling, we're just walking or working near an edge, we use full arrest harnesses. Today, or just yesterday, bought a whole heap of smaller carabiners. I use those for lanyards on my tools and things like that. A couple of work positioning lanyards. Again, some other bigger lanyards I use to help me position myself if I need to work at a certain space. And over here, obviously we're coming on from whatever we have on the northern side of the roof. We've anchored to the trees in the garden, but on the southern side of the roof we need to install some giant twin rope access anchors that'll be fixed permanently into the roof, and then we can anchor back off those and work on the northern side of the roof. And that's some of the stuff that we use to get a job like this done. So we'll get the gear on now, get up there and keep moving. Cheers. Please, thanks. Just having a rest on this roof. See, it's coming along nicely. Got one side fully coated. The roof behind me looks pretty good as well. Just got this last little bit to do. It's been a pretty challenging roof, probably one of the most challenging jobs I've done. Had the twin rope anchors installed, which has been great. Lifesaver, a real game changer. The sun's out in Melbourne. Look at the beautiful view. It's a nice cool morning. Up above the tree line, which is awesome. And just paint the roof. Life is good today. Life is good. Anyway, hope you're all having a great day. Peace out. See ya. Good, mate. Ooh, baby, I love your way every day, yeah, yeah. I wanna be with you night and day, oh, baby. Turns into night. Across the sea, so don't, oh no, hesitate, 'cause your love just won't wait. Ooh. Sorry, mate, is my singing upsetting you down there? Your way. Unblock, block tip. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ah. How cool is that? Wet paint, and the ropes aren't even kissing the line. Oh baby. That is how you paint a roof.